Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath1140.
FamilyMath1140. So I downloaded, or had you download on your phone, this app called Lightbot, and it's an introductory programming app. I'm just going to make sure I hold the phone steady there. And you played around with it this morning.
Yep.
What'd you think, first of all?
I think it was very easy to use. The interface was very good and easy to understand. And it was a pretty neat concept as well.
Okay. What are some of the things you think you learned from playing around with this game?
I guess just some sort of, it was similar to Scratch almost. It had some of those concepts like block coding. I don't know what it's called, using the blocks to create commands.
Okay,
blocks
great.
of code. And then I guess you could eventually replace the blocks with actual code, and then you'd have a good understanding of how the code structure works.
Alright, do you want to try to solve this one live, or do you want to go back and solve one you've already solved?
I can try to solve this one. So, the main folder here is what the robot will run, and what you have to do is light up all of the blue squares. And these proc 1 and proc 2 boxes are for their variables that you can define. So maybe what I'll do is, let's see, this proc 1, this is the jump command. He needs to jump, and then light, jump, light, jump, light. And then, since I don't have enough space there, actually I can add a turn right there. Maybe that won't be that helpful. And then for proc 2, I'm going to try to make the robot do one of these sort of mounds by doing the first process, and then turning right, and then going down that side, and then, so that'll complete one of those. So let's see, so we need to, process 2 will get us to here, and then we'll need to turn right, and let's see. Need to do process 2 again, and then that'll get us to here.
Alright, well, why don't you show that?
Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, so now we just have this final hill sort of to solve. So we have to turn left there since we're facing this way.
Alright.
Then we can do process 1, which will get us up to here. Then we need to turn left and do process 1 again. Oh. Somehow something got... Oh, I must have deleted something in process 2 by accident. So I think process 2 was that. Let's see if that does it. Oh no, we're left with just a few on this side here of this final thing. So we need to turn left, and then we can jump up and jump up and light those 2.
Okay. You're starting from the beginning, so
Yep.
this will be your program.
turn left and do that. And there we go, it's solved.
Cool. All right, so, overall, you think this was a fun game to play?
Yeah, it is.
And challenging?
Yeah, well, this puzzle was fairly challenging to solve, and then one of the other ones previously was kind of hard.
Okay. Well, that's cool. It's fun. And how many levels did you make it through this morning? Just playing for like 10 or 15 minutes, or however long you played?
Probably around 15, I think.
All right, nice. So you actually learned how to use it pretty fast.
Yeah.
All right, well, good job this morning. This is a really neat game. Glad we learned about it.